On behalf of the College of Humanities and Social Sciences, this is the Pulse at CHSS, keeping you up to date and informed about CHSS news, events, and happenings.
With it being the spring semester, it's time to think about jobs. On Monday, February 24th from 2 to 3 p.m. in Schmitt 104, all students are invited to attend a workshop on how to prepare for a career fair. Additionally, on Wednesday, February 26th, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. in Dickson 436, we will be hosting resume drop-in hours. Students will be assisted on a first-come, first-served basis in 15 to 20-minute intervals. Stop by for a document revision.
Are you looking for a summer gig? Look no further than the Summer Job Fair being held on March 4th from 2 to 4:30 p.m. in the Student Center Ballrooms. This fair is open to all students. Bring many copies of your resume and your student ID. To see a list of employers, check out Hire Red Hawk Events tab.
Make sure to check in each week for the latest Pulse and to stay connected with the college.